Have you ever wished creating flowchart could be as quick as making noodles? What if I told you I have got a trick to make it happen in just 2 minutes? Pretty cool, right? Watch the complete video and I'll demonstrate with a real project. Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create a flowchart using ChatGPT. Now let's see if ChatGPT can help us with this. Hey ChatGPT, do you know what flowchart is? Here is the result. Great. Let's explore a scenario where a flowchart could be incredibly useful. Imagine you are buying a book online from an e-commerce website. The process involves several steps such as browsing the website, searching for the book, adding it to the cart, proceeding to checkout, entering payment and shipping details, reviewing the order, and finally confirming the purchase. Now, ChatGPT, can you comprehend this scenario? Please respond with business analyst if you have got it. Now that we have our scenario, let's ask ChatGPT to create a flowchart for us. We will use the PlantUML format as it is compatible with Drawio. Please generate a flowchart in PlantUML for the above scenario. Prompt that we are going to use for the particular scenario to creating the flowchart. Excellent. ChatGPT has generated the flowchart for us. Let's copy the code and head over to draw.io. Navigate to arrange, select insert, within insert, choose advanced, locate the blend UML button, clear any existing content. You need not to worry about this step. I'll definitely mention in the description. Now, paste the code received from ChatGPT. Click Insert to display the content on the screen. Now, let's say we want to make more clear flowchart. We can either do it manually or ask ChatGPT for assistance. Let's ask ChatGPT to cover each possible decision. If you are not satisfied with the flowchart provided by the code, now make it clear and cover each possible decision. Perfect. ChatGPT has updated the flowchart to include the decision point. Let's copy the code again and paste it into row.io. Alright, the same we follow. Now let's dive into a live project. Imagine we are on Upwork, a platform for freelance, and we need to submit the proposal with a flowchart. Our task as a business analyst, understand the project requirements and send a proposal including a user flow diagram. Let's get started. We have found a project on Upwork for developing a mobile app, QR code identification and fuel discount application. For the given project description, we will ask ChatGPT to act as a business analyst and create a desired features for the project description. This is the prompt that we are going to use, and this is the description of the project. So we just need to copy, give the command to the ChatGPT. Now we have our scenario. Please generate a flowchart in PlantUML for the above scenario. Here is the PlantUML code for the user flow diagram. Great, to visualize the user flow. Now let's copy the code and paste it into draw.io. Navigate to arrange, select insert, within insert, choose advanced, the same that we followed in the previous scenario. Locate the blend UML button, clear any existing content, paste the code received from ChatGPT. Click insert to display the content on the screen. If you found that the flowchart doesn't meet your expectations, simply give another command to ChatGPT. Make it more complex, including every possible decision. Our flowchart is ready now. We can copy it from here, attach it in our document to submit it to the client. Likewise, you can use this method for any of your proposals, which will help you save time. And there you have it. We have successfully acted as a business analyst, proposed a feature list to the client, and created a user flow diagram for the app project. If you enjoyed this practical example, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.